My name's David Rubin. I'm 27 years old. I've been at Occupy Wall Street for around 3 or 4 weeks. I stop here intermittently throughout the week, maybe 3 or 4 days per week after work. I do have a job, a full-time job. I've been pretty fortunate myself. I was able to go to college and my parents were able to take care of my debt. But I've heard many stories from my friends and just from acquaintances that it's very difficult for them. And I know that in this country we spent $750 billion giving Wall Street a bailout, and you see these people that have this power making very egregiously reckless decisions with their money, and they're profiting from a lot of the suffering that's going on amongst ordinary Americans. I think that's a terrible precedent to set in our culture. I think it sends a terrible message to people in other countries who are striving for democratization, for civilization. I think it sends a terrible message to the future. And I also think that we have the capability presently to take care of and redress the bad things that are going on in this country. We have 1% of people in this country who own over 80% of the wealth. We have 80% of people in this country who own 7% of the wealth. And that's an awful disparity for me. That doesn't bespeak a great democratic nation. And I think that we need to get America back. And I think that one of the misconceptions of Occupy Wall Street is that it's a criticism of America itself, but most of the people I've spoken to here, myself included, are very passionate about America and believe in America. It's what has become of America that we believe needs to be fixed and changed.
Look at your American eyes.
I really think that the system is now rigged. The way that so much money is spent on elections and by lobbyists, that unless we make major changes, money will continue to control the system, and it's got to stop.
Okay. Look at your American eyes.
I believe that the government and the corporations treat people very badly on lots of different levels. I am doing this because I feel that it is time for change. It is time for human beings to really start caring about each other, being more compassionate, and caring more about just money.
I'll stay away in these troubled days until I stand my baby love. What if it all works out?
I understand that one of the ways that Congress is trying to save money is by cutting benefits to veterans and to retired people from the military, cutting health benefits and pension benefits, and rather than raising taxes or finding some other way. And what it says on the bottom here is support our troops means more than just having magnetic ribbon on your SUV.
Out. Your head is a mess, screaming and shouting doubts on the inside. What if it all works out? You're heading for home, green of the guiding light.
By Boston,
Okay.
and we trying to conscientious mind for the community, the people, United States.
Okay.
To know the cost of the war,
Okay.
that we can bring the troops home now,
Okay.
bring those dollars that we spend over there by the billions home,
Okay.
and taking care of the soldiers when they get home. This year, over there's my son,
Oh.
Lance Corporal Alexander Redondo, who died in Iraq at the age of 20 years old on his second tour.
Oh,
So it's my duty to participate and do something about it.
about it. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Look at your American eyes. No, no, no. Look at your American eyes. Look at your American eyes. No, no, no. Doesn't have to break.
I'll be right back. Thanks a lot, Barry. Back in 5 minutes.
What if it all works out? And what if it all works out? And what if it all works out? What if it all works out? It might.